Tell me, what are the things that you're noticing about our number line, first off? Yes.
It goes from 0 to 12.
0 to 12. Why did it go 0 to 12? What does the 12 represent, Larry? The whole set. The whole set of what? The Twizzlers. So this is actually like our total. This is what we're working with. These are the Twizzlers. Did they eat all of the Twizzlers? No. What did they eat? They ate part of them. What part did they eat?
2/3.
They ate 2/3 part. Ate 2/3 part of 12. There we go. So again, if we go back and we think about, well, what does a fraction really tell us? A fraction tells us a part and a total. We know that we need to have 3 groups. And so if I'm thinking about groups and relationships and each and total, if I know that I have 3 groups, the most Twizzlers that I have would be 12. How many Twizzlers are going to be in each group? 4. 4 Twizzlers are going to be in each group. So I can partition my number line into how many equal groups? 3. I want it to be the same. Now, why is it 3 and not 4?
Because it's 3 groups.
Because our denominator is 3. If our denominator was 4, we would want to partition it into 4 groups. But our denominator is not 4. Our denominator is 3. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to partition this. And I like to just draw a big candy bar all the way to the number 12 first, because that represents the total amount that I'm working with. And I know this represents 1/3 of the group, because I had 4 Twizzlers. Two-thirds of the group. So instead of us doing like little hops today, it looks like we're doing some shading. We're shading part of the total group of 12. You see how that relationship, that action, matches my number line? We didn't shade all the way to 12. We just shaded part of the group of 12. So when you get that answer, what is our answer today? 8. It's not 8/12. It's not 8/12 because you do not want a fraction of a Twizzler. Do you want me to eat part of that and hand it to you and say, here you go? No. I mean, think about it. They asked us specifically, the question was, how many Twizzlers did the Tran family eat? They didn't eat part of anything. They ate part of the total, but they didn't eat part of one and hand it off. So be careful about writing a fraction, and I'm kind of glad you said that because that is often something that I get, but I want to show you. If I were to write down the fraction 8/12, do you know what the lowest term's name for 8/12 is? No, it certainly is. 2/3. So do you see some relationships here? Do you see some relationships? You should. Okay, that will help you understand some things later on in some upper level maths. Okay, so let's finish this out. The Tran family bought a package of what? 12 Twizzlers. They ate 2/3 group of the Twizzlers. The Tran family ate 2/3 group of 12. And when you find 2/3 of 12, what do you get? 8. All right, so as a reflection, what I want you to do is I want you to go back and think about that first model that we drew, the second representation, and the number line. What are some things that you see that are similar between the models? What are the things that you see that are the same between the models? Do that now.